This video is to show people how to use camp time. What you want to do is, if you look at the bottom where it says one-way trip, that changes according to the number of troops that you send. I'm sending these troops from my HC, so I'll be sending 125,000 troops. You can see the one-way trip says 8 minutes and 20 seconds. The arrival is today's date, 3/13, and beside that it's 23:9:56, and you can see it counting up. And it's counting up because the longer we wait, the longer it's going to take for the troops to get there. So what you want to do is, let's say I want my troops to arrive at 23:30. Okay, so you take 30 minus the 10 beside the 23:10, and that means I have to add 20 minutes to the trip. Okay, so if in under minutes you add 20, you'll see that the arrival time now is 23:30:35. That's still 37 minutes too late. So I'll change the minutes to 19. That's going to put me at 23:29:47. So when that gets close to 59 seconds, I can hit OK. The troops will send, and they will arrive at 23:30. So I would want to click it now, and they would go. And that's when now at 23:30. You'll see at the arrival time, 23:30. That's when you want your troops to arrive. Okay. Now, let's say I want now. The thing you have to understand too, though, is your time zone as opposed to your game time. Now, I'm on the East Coast, so for me, in order for my game time or my arrival time to meet, to meet my game time, click OK. So okay, now they're going to send. Click OK. Close this screen. Now I'll bring up reports, Army movement, and you'll see that in 27 minutes my troops will arrive. Or if you look under arrival, it'll show 23:30:57. That's the time your troops are going to arrive. Now, let's say that I want to attack. Let's set this up again. Attack. Okay, now I want my troops to arrive at 1:23 game time. Okay, so I have to cross out the minutes. Now it's going to take, I'm sorry, I'm going to put in here 125,000 archers. It's going to take 7 minutes. It's 23:11. I want them to arrive at 1. So I have to add 1 hour. So if I add 1 hour, you'll see that the 23 changed to 12, to 0, or 24. So I have to change it to 2 hours, and you'll see it changed to 1:12. That's 12 minutes too late. So I would actually change it to 1 hour and okay, I'm going to change it to 12:46. Now you see my time is In 50 seconds, you'll see it counting up to 1 o'clock. When the second hand gets close to 257, I'm going to hit the send button. So we'll just continue to wait until it gets to 57, then I'm going to hit send. Now, by looking at this, it will arrive at 1 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to hit send now. Okay, now. March successful. Now, to check that, what you can do is under reports, Army movement, and now it's going to show you that it's going to arrive at 1 o'clock and 2 seconds past. Okay, or 1:52. It's got an hour and 52 seconds to go. It's going to arrive 1 hour and 52.
The motor? I don't know. Easy to find out. We just got a new phase converter. I can get it here tomorrow. Let us know they were going to get it on. It's in about changing. It doesn't.